Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the art of stamped concrete, where we turn ordinary concrete into a nice decorative design on a residential project for some clients of ours in West End on the island of Tortola in the British Virgin Islands. Hope you like the video, guys. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our exciting decorative concrete adventures in the Caribbean. Alright, let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this project. Concrete, stamping mats, powdered or liquid release agent, trowels and stamping tools, a tamper, color hardener, sealer, gloves, and masks. Step 1. Mix your concrete according to the manufacturer's instructions. You want a consistency that's easy to work with but not too runny. This will also be dependent on your weather conditions. Begin by ensuring the concrete surface is free of any debris. Then use a bull float and a Fresno float to smooth out the concrete surface. You will need to trowel the edges of the slab by hand. Step 2. Now it's time to add some color. Broadcast or throw the color hardener over the surface of the wet troweled concrete. This is done by throwing the powdered release agent evenly across the surface with your hands. After the entire surface has a good amount of coverage, approximately 97 square feet per 25 kilo bag, then trowel the color hardener into the surface of the concrete so it's no longer sitting on the surface, but troweled into the wet surface. After the concrete is cured, return and gently wash off the excess release powder from the surface with a hose and soft bristle broom. Step 5. Once the concrete is dry, apply 2 coats of sealer to protect and enhance the colors. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper application. We typically use a matte, natural finish, water-based polyurethane concrete sealer. And there you have it, folks, a stamped concrete driveway that can offer a blend of durability and aesthetic appeal, elevating the value of your property while enhancing its curb appeal. Experience the transformation from ordinary to extraordinary with a lasting investment that combines functionality with timeless elegance. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey through the process of stamped concrete. We hope you found this video both educational and fun. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave us a comment below sharing your thoughts and any future concrete projects you'd like to see from us. Until next time, stay smiling. Cheers.
I'm standing outside my window. 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 I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through.